Si Karma sa assassination classroom. Hi, yeah, I remember you. No, I don't remember you. Hi, thank you. Favorite ko na comment si yung wala na siya dito. Dati siyang fan. Pero wala na siya. Maybe si Dre. Si Dre. Hi. My name is Kim and I have second name which is Nicole. I'm not using it. Yeah, also you pala. Victor. Yes, I have Lahi. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Nag-bye-bye, yes. Hi, shout po sa inyong bike shop, Padyak All. Pota ka, pangit pag walang filter. Don't nag-i-ignore, guys. Hi, Wasile. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Ang lapit ko masyado, guys. Sorry, guys. Hi, shoutout po kay Jacol. No, I'm not minor. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, 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 sige. Okay na. Yun na, guys. Dito na lang mag-grade. Hindi, guys. Half Spanish latte ako. Tapos half matcha. Tapos hello, Pew. May tumingin sa akin, may dumaan. Anyways, for me. Oh my guys, nagagalit na guys. Yung moderator ko guys. Wow! Protective yarn. Sana all may protective ka ngayon. Dami ng cheating issue ngayon guys. Yung na-post na babae. Ang masasabi ko doon ay kalokohan. I don't have helper. Umuwi ka na, sabi ni Mama. Guys, nasa bahay ako. As lang po ba? Cheater po ba yung tawag sa GF ko na may buhok na kulot yung brace niya? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Guys, iba yung tawa ko, nagluluwa. Pag sobrang tawa yan. Maybe guys, diba? May mga nakita na kayong clue. Anyway. Ares on the beat. Advice ko lang po. Huwag na kayong magjowa. Huwag na kayong magjowa guys. Pangit na magjowa ngayong generation 2025. Guys, ano yung height ko? 6'5" na. 6'5" na ako. Masyadong ako tumangkad eh. Ewan ko bakit. Abot bubong na ako. Yes, tumas na ako guys. Di nyo alam. Yun yung new update ko. At least, diba, ito lang. Ito lang, diba? Ito. Ano lang, Vicks lang. Isa naman sa isa, anong inaamoy dyan. Lo, patap ng screen guys para sortehan kayo sa Love Live sa 2026. Ginawa pang lucky yung live ko. Hindi ako naka-blush on guys. No blush on look. Diba na mula? Dito. Automatic blush to. Yes, I have.
Sabi ng nakatatanda, kapag napanaginip at namatay ka, ipinili ka masamang senyales.
Sorry.
magbabago sa buhay mo. Ibig sabihin,
See?
parte ng sarili mong namamatay.
It's real. And I'm not pure Pinay, guys.
Bagong ikaw ay panganak. Kaya sa susunod na maliliit ang namatay, huwag kang matakot. Baka yun ang may reviews ang iyahang mga reels. Wala ko pero
Kilala ako ni Kim. Sino yan? Wait, check. Hala, si Kuya Kyle. Kuya Kyle is watching here, oh. Tingin ako. Asan? Ito, oh. Kasama niya, girlfriend niya. Wow. Hello, Kuya Kyle. Kamusta? I miss you, Kuya Kyle. Oh, Kuya Kyle. Kuya Kyle, uy. Mag-call din tayo minsan. I miss you. Nakaganon siya, oh.
Uy, musulod na.
Anyways, napadaan ka lang din eh. Bye-bye. Wala na siya. Guys, nandito yung kuya ko, guys. Parang tagal ko nung hinahanap. Charot. Siya sa amin, missing person. Miss na miss. Hey, close the door.
Close door.
Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Hi, si Kuya Kyle. Say hi.
Hi. Oh my God, it's Kuya Kyle.
Yeah.
Nasaan siya?
Wala lang, napadaan lang siya. Wala na siya.
Uy, nabot yung person.
Nawala siya. Asa mo karon? Ano, nasa Manila. Manila. Ay, nakadig. Kuya Kyle, alam mo. Charot. Kuya Kyle, friend lagi mo sila Mika. Ako hindi. Di mo ako friend. Bakit? Friend mo yung mga kapatid ko tapos ako hindi. Okay lang. Hi po kay Chacha. Oh my God! FB ko ano, Kim, ayan na nga yan, nasa taas. Kim Tando. Yan din profile. I miss you, Kuya Kyle. Super laki nyo na ni Kuya Kevin, no? Grabe, guys. Hindi ko alam. Na-stalk ko lang sila last, yung parang sinabi ng kapatid ko na, hala, may girlfriend na si Kuya Kyle. Ganun. Tapos sabi ko, ang pogi nila kasi may mga anak-anak dito. Yun. Talbas, ganun. Miss ko na yung kuya ko, guys. Yung mga natitira ko kuya. Ay, weh! Mataas na si Kuya Kevin. Sorry, guys. Nag-moment pa kami ng kuya ko, guys. Dumaan kasi siya dito. Napanood niya ito. Kaya Kyle, I miss you so much. Sending love. Shoutout na lang kita sa kuya ko, Kuya Kyle. Shoutout yung sabihin ko. Kuya Romel, nadaanan ko si Kuya Kyle sa live ko. Anyways, wala na siya, wala na. Miss ko na yung kuya ko, guys, kasi, may family problem. Yan, tas busy na sila, yun, nag-aaral sila. May mga sariling silang focus in life, guys. So, yun. Tapos, di ko alam, super big na pala sila, guys. Di ko kasi makita yung niya, yung FB ng kuya ko. Dalawa kong kuya. Magkapatid yan sila. Siguro din nila alam yung FB ko, kaya nagtanong siya, ano daw FB. Hi! Shout out po. Guys, wala na yung kuya ko, guys. Nawala na siya. Wala na siya, guys. Umalis na siya. Baka nawala niya yung live ko, no? Baka nawala niya. Tapos, hinahanap niya ito. Tapos, di niya ako na-follow. Busog pa ako. Kakain ko lang. Shout out po kay sino to? Midas Misal. Wala na yung kuya ko, guys. Hello, crew. Kuya, alam mo 18 na si Kuya Romel. Tapos 18 na din ako. Sino bang 18 lahat ng kapatid ko? Ang tagal pa. 18 na ako. Kaya tayo mag-meet up. Pwede si Kuya lang tsaka ako. Yun pa lang yung 18 eh. Ako lang and yung si Kuya Romel. Kami lang yung 18. Hindi pa sila 18. Si Mika at saka si Franz, hindi pa sila 18. Hindi pa ako 18. Ay, hindi pa ako 18. Hindi pa 18 yung mga kapatid ko. Hindi na kami ni Kuya. Kamusta si Kuya Kevin? Sabihin ko si Kuya. Sige. Okay, sa FB na lang. Kim Tantok lang name ko sa FB. Na siya, girlfriend. Sana all. Sana all. Okay lang, support pa rin kita. Sana all. My girlfriend na yan. Guys, ang saya lang kasi may girlfriend na yung kuya ko. Okay, ako mag-add. Wait lang. Ano FB mo, kuya? Ay, parang alam ng kapatid ko. Sabihin, ask ko na lang sa kanya mamaya. Add kita. Accept ko ha. Accept me ha. Accept. Hi po kay Mon. Hi po. Shout out po kay Aven. Bye-bye, kuya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you. Okay na guys, masaya na ako. Kasi may nagpasaya na naman sa akin. Biglang dumaan yung kuya ko, nakita ng ata ko. Okay, bye-bye. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Ang dami yung gastos eh. What? Ang problem nila. Anyways, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Guys, ang daming bad. Siguro din ako magre-live kasi madami masyadong bastos. Hi, shoutout po kay Prince Icardo. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, last na to. Hindi na ako magla-live. I mean, last ko na to. Pag nagbabay ako, hindi na ulit ako magla-live. Kasi kanina nagbabay ako eh. Nag-end ako, tapos nag-live naman ako ulit. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Hey, guys. Nahanap ko yung kuya ko sa TikTok lang. Parang nadaanan niya ako. Thank you, Lord. Okay, fine. I'll wait. Okay, I will apply you. Just be careful, okay? I think you're you're editor now. Hi, shout out po kay Who's Dre. Lupitang shout out. Hi po. Hi. Prince Icardo. What? I didn't block you. What's your name? Maybe, kasi nabablock ko lang yung mga bad people. Like, nagko-comment ng ano-ano. Baka isa ka dun. Kaya nablock kita. Wow, sana all kilig. Anong name mo dun? But, block ba kita dun? Yun kasi, inaaway mo ko dati. Palaaway ka pala eh. Nangangaway ka pala. Kasi nangangaway. 'Di ba? Aray mo. Palaway pala to eh. Kasi nangangaway para... Oh! Nagsasalita. Kala ko si Tim. Same car. Yeah, I'm really eating your soul. Nangaaway ka sa akin tapos idol mo na ako ngayon. Kasi nangangaway. Huwag kasi maaway, di ba? Padjak call. Teka, nagas ka lang ba bike niya yun? Ba't ganun? Ang pangit. Joke lang. Ang pangit ng... Ay, di na ako masya-shoutout, guys. Naiinis na ako. Ang tao pa naman sa likod ko. Baka sabihin, bastos ako.
Gusto ka na mataas ang inyong visibility sa inyong mga video, dapat dyan na mag-comment po na sa lahat ng mga video. So, balitan nyo ang proper image o marunong. Gusto ka na mataas ang inyong visibility sa inyong mga video, dapat dyan na mag-comment po sa lahat ng mga video. So, balitan nyo ang proper image.
Lang.
Nakailuwag na?
Linungan? Wala pa.
As you can see, I've got a little hand sardine, which you basically just open by pulling this. Okay, it's broke off. Okay, attempt two. Basically, you just open it like this, and inside there's dead fish that you eat.
Now with the sardines, I actually went and put one of them under this petrified wood. I'm doing this because I want to test to see if the bloodworms have a smell ability and whether they'll be able to find the sardine under it, dig it out, and eat it. That should be pretty fun to watch. Anyways, now I want to get some red aquatic plants. So I drove to Petco so I could buy some. Alright, Matt,
Anyway. Okay, bye.
I covered the baskets in
Bye,
the
guys.
car.
I'm sorry for my words.
Then I started to carve it out, make it look like this break
I know
was
it's
the actual
bad,
box of the cake.
and I'm so
Anyways,
sorry.
Here is the finished triple decker cake.
Like that.
My...
The prettiest decoration in the whole world, but a wise man did once tell me.
I didn't mean it to say it. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, a lot of dots that go into this cave, okay? You can start 3 different words in there.
Alright, now time for the left side to DIY build, and this time I've got something interesting. Yup, it's a food platter. Basically,
Yeah,
I'm
bro,
gonna
I'm not
prepare
gonna
one
iwan
for
you.
the bloodworms, that way I'll be able to see which they like the most once I get them inside. So, anyways, I drove to Walmart to do some food shopping.
Okay, well, we're shopping for bloodworms today, so I came straight to the meat aisle, of course.
Now, first
Okay,
off,
fine.
shop
Re-replan
was
ko.
some meat. Now, if you remember, this is actually
Re-replan ko lang, ah.
I bet in my video where
Wala
I
lang
got
long
some
message,
pictures,
reply
you
lang.
saw that. You probably
Yun lang.
remember
Okay,
they
okay,
absolutely
okay,
loved it.
okay.
I was having trouble getting them off of it, so of course I bought some of that for the bloodworms. But I also went over to the fish aisle and decided to buy some
Shout
salmon,
out
which
to
are famous saltwater
kay
fish, which usually live with bloodworms
Lauren
in the wild, so I figured they might
Sipoldi.
be cool with that. And also in that aisle, I got
Yun
some
ang
shrimp,
shoutout, guys.
which are
Nakaano na ko na to traumatized. Ah,
nothing else works, they should.
traumatized.
Finally, I went to the aquarium aisle to buy some
Parang
fish pellets, because who knows, maybe
ayoko na
they'll
wala
love
ng tiwala mag-shoutout,
Once I got
guys.
home, I got out all the foods in the order. I'll be feeding them to the bloodworms.
Last na
It's
yun.
gonna be crazy to watch their things absolutely rip this food to shreds, and I'm even gonna show some unseen stuff about these bloodworms. But as you know, I got
Bye,
these bloodworms
guys.
from a website I had never been on before, and I had no idea if it was safe. Whenever I buy pets for these videos, I make sure always to have a VPN on, which is why I'm excited this video is sponsored by Surfshark. Surfshark is an app and browser extension that I basically always leave
shoutout sa mga ex mo.
virtual location to anywhere in the world and lets me access
Grabe, ang dami mong
TV
ex.
shows that are not available in the United States. Yep.
Sabi guys, yan may ano ko dito. Hindi ka diba nung nag-verse ako noon. Kasi meron dito. Anong kunin ko ng power bank?
Only available in Europe. But thanks to Surfshark, I get to have a nice, relaxing movie night.
Not yet. Surfshark also easily lets you add other services like
Where's my power bank? Give me M-Lobat! Give me my power bank.
Ala, nandiyan na si Mami ba yan? Mag-uwi na yun.
Sige na. Give me kay mag-shutdown. Percent na lang. Hahay. Inubos. Ako nagcha-charge ng power bank ko. Inubos naman ng kapatid. Okay lang guys. Guys, kasi masya-shutdown na yung phone ko guys. Baka mawala ako. Hindi, may iwan ko kayo. Walang goodbye. Anyways. Kim, how's your holiday? Okay lang naman. Pero sad lang yung birthday ko, guys. Masyadong nag-great, like kuya ko. Parang din nila na-remember. And it's my 18th birthday pa na. But there's no celebration na ganap. Just cake lang. For me, it's enough. And also my father.
Sige, mag-ihi daw siya. Tapos kiss dyan. Si Don Don. Kaya may tao kasi siya.
Actually, my father, yeah. He didn't grade me. Ay, nantok ako, guys. Pag ako naligo, tapos, wala na, matutulog na ako. It's okay, guys. You ask, how's my day with holiday? I think I deserve it naman. Thank you, Bulldog. Oh, habol. No. Oo naman, kung prank lang. Kasi tapos na yung birthday ko, oh. So, if prank yun, where na? Saan yung prank? Kung sasabihin na, it's a prank lang. Wala na. Mag-New Year na. Sana nga prank lang. Phone ko, I'm using iPhone. Just low grade iPhone. Ano nagpapakit? I'm serious. Actually, okay, fine. Hindi serious sa inyo. Pero serious ako, guys. They actually don't remember my birthday. And yung nakaka-remember lang is yung dito yung malapit sa akin. Siyempre, kapatid ko. Tapos, mga fans ko kasi, alam naman nila birthday ko kasi. Nakalagay naman yun sa FB ko. Like, FB lang. Walang 2007. Ganun. Yun lang. Hindi ako umiiyak ah. Tingnan mo, may nag-happy birthday po. Belated. Wala, nakalimutan. Okay lang is. I hope it's prank. Thank you. Mamansin ako. Hi, Cyrus. I just wish na it's my 18th birthday. Mag-give lang naman ako ng 18 flowers from my brother. Like, my father ba? Supposed to be 18 flowers yun. I don't know. I don't receive flower. Hindi dapat supposed to be yung father mag-give mo. It's okay, guys. I'm broken family. And di ako nagpapa-affect doon, syempre. I have a father, second father, which is my tito. Yeah, I love my tito so much. I don't know, but proud yung tito ko sa akin kahit na-failed ako. Like, not in grades ha. Kahit saan, like, parang nakikita ko, like, sabihin, matiting ko na, oh my God, nadidisappoint ko siya. Pero sa kanya, sabi niya, hindi ka nadidisappoint. If ano yung, naka mo yun, dun nakakontento, like, proud na siya dun. So, I have lucky person. So, that's my tita. Kahit I don't have a father, I don't feel like my father ako, I have my tito. Supposed to be kasi, naisip ko nung kids ako, like, mag-give up ako agad kasi wala na teacher sa akin or the complete family, ganun. But yeah, God gave me one person na parang magre-remind sa akin always na kaya ko. Uy! MMK! Not it means broken family is hindi maayos yung life. Like, look at me. I'm a good person with broken family. Sunflower, yeah.
Nangita ko second
Yeah.
order. Pero
I mean, I don't have contact or hindi naman ata magkaiba yung ayaw magpa-contact. Diba? Ayaw magpa-contact. Maybe I wish na mabibigay ko. Thank you, guys. Yeah, dad ko is Spanish. Maybe he don't have a heart
hindi ko na
for
lang
that.
bilhin yung absidi.
Absidy?
Ito na lang. Pwede
Hindi ka nagbili ng 12-12. Mas mura yan.
Kinan ko pa.
Ano to? BF? What the hell?
I swear yung Kim, yung Vice Cosmetics na kuan, maka-fix din siya. Ako nga to, nag-ato tatong black ako suot, nag-stay ang makeup ko. What's the makeup look? Makeup look ko. Feel na ko, perfect combo sila.
Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you again. Magbababay na naman ako. Thank you, guys. I love you so much all.
nagstay ang makeup. Kato pa ng gabi ihang.
Bye-bye, guys.